What's up today, guys? I wanted to show you guys a few things that's been going on with the truck. We had a makeover done to it with the wheels and tires. I wanted to bring this to you guys. Sorry we haven't been making a lot of content. We were involved in an accident in the Focus that kind of deteriorated our ideas and content there for a while. I'll make sure I put that into this video as well, just to show you guys a little more what happened. How it really needs a bath, but alright guys, so this is the damage to the Focus. We've done some work to it to repair some of the issues going on with it. The driver's side door was fused completely shut after the accident in Parkersburg, West Virginia. We were side-swiped. I was up off the edge of the roadway assisting somebody, and I got hit with my door open at about 35 miles an hour with the ELS light here on the top on, with the hazards on as well. As you can see, it bent the frame of the door here, bent it down here as well, and I mean, it just completely destroyed the fender. It's drivable, but we really don't like showing the nasty stuff on camera pretty much. But an update on the tinted lenses as well. Wow, the car needs a bath. But as you guys remember from a prior video, this is all spray-on black vinyl for tinting, and it is all holding up very well, as you can see on the car. And then obviously here on the truck, it really needs a bath as well. This snowstorm that hit really didn't do any good for these vehicles. But what do you get for being in Ohio? The stickers I ordered a few months ago are still working as well, as you can see. Still, yet again, need cleaned up. But yeah, I figured I'd give you guys an update on that. So with what happened to the Focus, we were in West Virginia. I pulled over into a car lot to get some stuff out of the vehicle and assist somebody, and when I did, there was a gentleman behind me and my girlfriend and our children in a road rage fit for some unknown reason. Decided to swerve towards me as I pulled off the roadway and opened my door. Took my door off its hinges and pretty much, I mean, as you've seen, destroyed the fender and the door both. We managed to get somebody to put the door back on its hinges and open and close at least, but Progressive was my insurance and his as well. The police report stated that I was off the edge of the roadway with my door open and that his vehicle struck mine, but they didn't want to make a determination of who was truly at fault, so they paid for half the damages on this vehicle, half the damages on his vehicle, and said that that would stop them from having a lawsuit. It made me miss a lot of work. They didn't reimburse any of that as well, but I guess that's what you get for West Virginia. That's why I don't really like traveling into West Virginia for any type of work calls or anything, but can't really help it. It is what it is. At least the car runs still. It could have been a lot worse. Somebody could have gotten hurt. The vehicle could have been totaled out. There could have been a lot of different things that happened, but you know, now you guys got to see it at least, so I hope you guys stick around. We're definitely going to be doing some work to it, get it all fixed back up and painted. We got some good ideas coming for it. We got a few more additives to come onto the truck. As you guys seen, it is setting a little higher than normal. We're getting ready to put an actual lift on it as well. So make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't, and if you have, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys and have a good day.